everybody, Rick here. Another quick life hack here. Marie and I are going to have some corned beef hash for dinner tonight. So I'm going to show you how to get this out of the can without using a spoon. You have to get the lid off. Get your good sharp sturdy knife. Very carefully. I'm going to poke some holes in the bottom of the can. That way it'll just slide right out of the can. Just like that. Let's see it again with some sour cream. It won't pour out. Again, poke some holes in the bottom. Slide right out. All of it. Empty. This works with anything solidly packed into a can. We don't have dog food solid packed, but it's loose dog food. It's the same thing. You put on the plate, poke some holes. Very carefully, and it comes right out. So there you go. Easy way to get things out of the can. So hope you liked I hope you liked this video and hope it did taught you something. So if so, give me a like if you like the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe please. And hopefully we'll see you soon.